Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this overview, along with additional resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the Helix DNA testing kit. Here at Rome Tips, we're diving into the Helix Atom DNA test kit. Helix distinguishes itself from other DNA testing services by offering a comprehensive platform that extends far beyond typical ancestry or basic health reports. Think of it as a central hub for a diverse range of DNA-powered insights. Through its marketplace, Helix provides access to an extensive catalog of tests covering personalized health, wellness, ancestry exploration, and even entertainment applications. This remarkable flexibility makes Helix an exceptionally compelling option for those seeking a multifaceted and personalized approach to DNA analysis. The Helix process is initiated with a simple and user-friendly saliva collection kit. After you submit your sample, Helix sequences your exome, which is the protein coding portion of your genome. This method provides significantly more detailed insights compared to standard genotyping tests commonly used by other services. This advanced exome sequencing technology also allows Helix to securely store your genetic data, enabling you to explore various partner apps on the platform and obtain targeted results without the need for repeated sample submissions. One of the most compelling features of Helix is its impressive versatility. Users can select from a vast array of partner tests offered in the Helix marketplace, covering areas such as fitness optimization, personalized nutrition plans, sleep quality improvement, hereditary health risk assessments, and in-depth ancestry exploration. Some of the popular apps available include the Mayo Clinic Gene Guide for valuable health insights and DNA Fit for customized fitness plans. This modular approach ensures that you only pay for the specific genetic information you're interested in, making Helix a cost-effective and truly personalized solution. Helix is particularly well-suited for individuals who prioritize flexibility and want the option to explore different facets of their genetic makeup over time. It's also an excellent choice for those who appreciate high data accuracy, a benefit derived from Helix's focus on exome sequencing. It's important to note, however, that the platform's full potential is unlocked when you invest in additional reports offered through the marketplace. In conclusion, Helix represents a forward-thinking DNA testing service that offers unparalleled flexibility and depth of analysis. Whether your interests lie in health, fitness, ancestry, or a combination thereof, Helix provides a dynamic platform to explore your genetic potential and gain valuable insights. Click the links in the description to learn more and embark on your own personalized Helix journey today.